Bree. Bree, I needed to take a moment and express the feelings that I have for you as a fellow bird. As a bird gamer, I fully understand the situation that you've placed yourself in. Bird gamers are discriminated against every day. Bird gamers suffer oppression unlike any other group on the entire internet. Bird gamers, including Bree. I love you, Bree. We need to figure out a way to keep bird gamers from being oppressed on the internet and in real life. Like the Constitution of these United States says, all birds are created equal, and that includes bird gamers. Where I'm trying to get with this is, Bree, I love you, and I love birds and bird gamers such as ourselves. That's why I've created a website called freethebirdgamers.com. This website will be dedicated to information for fellow bird gamers on how to stop the oppression of bird gamers and other oppressed groups of birds, such as birds, non-gaming birds, and other bird-related items. Birds may be a minority, but our voice shall be heard. We are birds. We stay strong.